Nagnegatibo mula sa hantavirus ang higit 30 Pinoy crew members na luna ng MV Hondius. Pamahalaan tinitiyak ang tulong para sa kanila sa gitna ng ipatutupad na mandatory quarantine. Si Cristal Ramizares nakatutok.
Sasailalim sa mandatory 40-day quarantine sa Netherlands ang 38 na Pilipinong tripulante na sakay ng MV Hondius. Pagsunod ito ng DMW at DOH sa International Health and Safety Protocols dahil sa banta ng hantavirus outbreak sa barko.
Of the 38 seafarers, 24 are hotel, so-called stewards or hotel workers, and 14 are deck and engine crew, which means Filipino seafarers actually run the ship in terms of deck and engine operations.
For the Filipinos on board, what I know in the information is they've all tested negative. From the time of contact, the incubation period can be as long as 45 days. So I think they'll be quarantined for 42 days pa in the Netherlands. That means they're not sick, no? When they're quarantined, they were just exposed.
Ang MV Hondius ay isang Advanced Polar Class 6 expedition vessel na ginagamit para sa ice navigation. Kaya nitong magkarga ng 196 passengers at 70 crew members. April 1 naglayag ang barko mula Argentina patungong South Atlantic. Para masuportahan pa rin ang mga seafarer, marireceive pa rin nila ang kanilang full salary at benefits habang naka-quarantine.
And then throughout the duration of their quarantine in their Netherlands, their contracts are still live, meaning they will continue to receive their salaries and emoluments, and their families who are entitled to the allotments will continue to receive the same.
Mabibigyan rin sila ng financial aid mula sa Action Fund ng Philippine Government sa inisyatibo ng DMW, DOH at DFA. Makakauwi ang mga Pinoy seafarers sa Pilipinas matapos ang kanilang quarantine period. Cristal Ramizares, IBC News.